Good morning. It's Soto's Creative Corner, March 6, 2021, a lovely Saturday morning. And I just wanted to share what I've been up to on this National Craft Month. Started March 1st, we'll end on March 31st. I'm working with these little villages that you can create with Village Thinlet dies by the designer Tim Holtz. In this video, I'm going to show you what I've accomplished as far as making the houses, and then on the second one I'm going to go more into detail on how I make the houses. I use this recycled plastic that I get from spinach and spring mix produce, and I use that for the windows, and then I use cereal cardboard for the actual boxes, paper. And I add that to the roof first, like what I have here. And then what happens is it gives you more coverage, because I do use the glue gun. I'll glue one side and then I'll stick it down like that, press it, and then look at all that coverage you get from the glue gun. Then I'll come to this side, cover it with glue, and then press this side down. And I can hold it really snug against the walls of the house. I like to use light molding paste to give an illusion of stucco. With regards to your Thinlet dies, you have 16 dies. These here are the different sizes of roof. This here is what's called gables or door window awnings. You have 3 house structures, 3 shapes, 1, 2, and 3. You have 3 different types of door styles. You have windows for the tower. I call this attic windows. This could be a tower door or another window. 2 circle dies. And I'll show you what I mean. When you take this die here, it could be a tower, or you can turn it into a part of the other house and make it a tower on top of another house. Now this is not laid in the middle of the house, because the way I have it set up is I have it flushed against the back, like on this house here. That's how I put that together. These little windowsills outlines are actually from the die cut window inserts here. So save all of those and save all these little square inserts that come off of this window, because you can use that as tile. And that's what I've done here. So this is my unicorn house. This one here is my Christmas theme. And like I said, I have plastic in there for the windows. So I'm going to go ahead and move the Thinlet dies out of the way. So what I'm thinking of doing with this one is adding the stars that I got from my friend Sylvie from Ireland. Make an arch with these stars around it and other little ephemera embellishments. This one here I'm working on it to be like a little beach scene. I did add plastic to this piece. I want to get some, make some surfboards and have them hanging out against the wall, back wall. Give it a little bit of texture on the roof. This is the Christmas theme one I'm making. So I gotta embellish. What I have here, it all set on a box that I create to give it a permanent home. And then I have these little miniature deers. Really cute. I'm going to pick up some more. And then I have some more of these houses here. Again, there's that layering of the tile that I was telling you about. And then this I just added, I took that gable and squared it off just to give it my own look. Did the inserts with those window leftovers on the wall. Added some moss to the side. I still have to add a real roof, but I do add a thin layer of copy paper, and then I hot glue down the real roof once I figure out how I want to make it. Here, this one, as you can see, I have a wraparound window that I just made up, and this is actually no door. I forgot to cut the door out. I cut out the window, but I forgot the door, so I had to make one, and then I had to add like steps, and then add this to give it some height. And a little garden, give it some dimension. So that's how I'm working on this one. They're all imperfect, but these are my little fairy houses that I'm going to set up, my little village of fairies. And I have my Christmas house, and my unicorn house, and my beach house. And here's another one that I put together, just making it my own. And I might add a tower or not. This one is actually the paper. It sort of kind of looks like wood. It's actually paste paper that I made. I created that using this type of rubber wood grain tool on my paste paper. It gave that look. And I added some. You can also take that light molding paste and add color to it, which is what I did here, to give it like grass. And then, you know, I still have to paint this, but I took the two sizes of the window inserts, one on top of the other. And then this is just another church steeple, if you wish, or whatever we want it to be. This is all hot glue, and then I just stucco it to give it texture. And the little light stucco here to clean up the cracks, make it nice around the ridges. And here's the little doghouse that I made. So you can even turn the tower into a doghouse. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be making the how to put it together with the hot glue gun video shortly. Until then, Soda's Creative Corner signing off for now, and wishing everybody a blessed, wonderful day. See you soon. Bye for now.